Hi, my name is Dominic, and I go by the name of the Naked Dev, and I'm the developer of the DLSS Upscaling for Unity plugin. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use DLSS Upscaling for Unity with Unity's built-in legacy render pipeline. Let's go! After purchasing the plugin at the Unity Asset Store, simply click the Open in Unity button. This will open the package manager and then click Download and Import. After all files have been imported, you'll have to download my custom post-processing stack version 3. This is exactly the same as Unity's post-processing stack version 3, only edited so that it supports upscaling. I've added the download link to it in the description. Simply copy the contents of the zip file to the packages folder as shown in the video. Don't worry if you already had the post-processing stack in your project. By adding my version this way, it simply extends its capabilities for upscaling. Now, all you have to do is add the post-processing layer to the camera and select DLSS in the anti-aliasing mode dropdown. DLSS requires an additional NVIDIA package to be installed in your project. Click the Install Package button to add it to your project. Sometimes you'll need to restart your project to get it to compile correctly. Now, if we go back to the DLSS settings, here you can set the DLSS quality. DLAA is the highest quality and will offer no performance improvements. Ultra Performance offers the most performance improvements, but can look ugly in certain situations. As you can see, DLSS is working as most of the aliasing is gone. However, certain shaders will add extra ghosting or blur. If you notice this, you can increase the anti-ghosting slider. This will add a small bit of random jittering, which often improves the blur. However, setting this to 1 may be a little bit too much. I personally recommend using a value between 0.1 and 0.6. Now keep in mind that when testing your performance, DLSS will often not give you any performance increases in the editor, as the editor is very CPU limited and DLSS only improves the GPU performance. Additionally, you should not use any other anti-aliasing, as this will make other things look very bad or very blurry. And keep in mind that DLSS will only work on NVIDIA RTX graphics cards and only on the Windows platform. So if you need upscaling for those other graphics cards and or platforms, you can use my FSR 3 Upscaling for Unity plugin. That's it. You're all done with setting up DLSS for your built-in render pipeline project. Now, if you want to know anything more about me or my projects or the other Unity assets that I'm still creating, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any issues with DLSS or any of the other plugins that I'm selling, don't hesitate to contact me. I've put links in the descriptions. Good luck with your project.